This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, February the 4th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at noon today. We still have a broad trough over the eastern two-thirds of the country, some energy rotating around that vortex over Hudson and James Bay, and that's going to bring a bit of snow across Wisconsin into Illinois and Michigan. This will be over northeastern Iowa during the morning hours. It could dump an inch or two there. It'll be clearing late in the day with highs in the 20s to lower 30s. And another system rotates around that vortex here on Tuesday. It could skim the northeastern counties again with a bit of snow, the heaviest snow further to the north and east, 20s northeast to lower 40s south and west. It'll warm up statewide here Wednesday, highs well into the 30s across most of the state with some 40s in the south and west, especially in areas that have little or no snow cover. Thursday, we have another system moving through. This will be late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. This could bring a bit of snow across the state, maybe a dusting to an inch at best with highs in the 20s and 30s. That moves off to the east Friday. Some high pressure nosing in from the north and east. That'll keep temperatures a couple degrees either side of freezing, cooler to the north and east and over snow-covered areas, warmer to the south and west. Another system begins to approach from the southwest here on Saturday. The Gulf begins to open up, so some showers and maybe some snow to our north. Then on Sunday, that moves across, to our south. We could see a little bit of snow, maybe a little bit of rain, depending on ground temperatures. Otherwise, temperatures will be around 30 or so. A day after that, a week from today, on next Monday, we have the Peace energy moving across the Great Lakes, another hanging back over Arizona and northern Mexico, and that will bring most of the precipitation to an end around here, maybe a few lingering clouds. Otherwise, most of the precipitation will be well off to our east and well off to our south. We had a couple of days later to February the 15th, a quick west-east flow across the country, a bit of energy over the Pacific Northwest, another over the Great Lakes and up into the Canadian Maritimes. And that would bring a little bit of snow around here, especially off to our west, across the Dakotas and Nebraska, and then into the Pacific Northwest. That could be moving in maybe a couple of days after that. And at the end of the forecast on February 19th, vortex over Manitoba and Saskatchewan with some energy just to the east of that across Minnesota and Wisconsin. And with that, we could see a storm system just departing the area with a bit of snow and a lot of cold air. This would bring temperatures back into the teens and maybe some lower 20s for highs with breezy conditions. Here's the satellite image from last evening. We had some high and mid-level cloudiness across the middle part of the country and some cloudiness across the western Great Lakes with the snow that's coming through that part of the country, and another storm moving into the Pacific Northwest. The watch warning map from last evening, fairly quiet across the country. We had the winter weather advisory extending from Minnesota through the extreme northeastern counties of Iowa and Wisconsin, through Illinois and into the Great Lakes, and along the Appalachians, some snow issues there as well. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 6 o'clock, showing most of the precipitation around the state will be coming today and maybe later in the week. Better chances in the south and in the Pacific Northwest.